Sanguina is really this convergence of many lucky accidents.
It lines up with when Rob and I teamed up, joined forces via Wilbur Lamb's lab. When I met Rob, it was, I think he was actually looking at a microfluidic channel. So imagine him hunched over looking at a microfluidic channel. Rob is a nerd like me.
Both Erica and I, and Wilbur too, have been directly impacted by anemia in a very profound way.
I've had anemia my whole life.
I have beta thalassemia major.
I'm a pediatric hematologist oncologist. I'm also a professor of biomedical engineering at Emory University in Georgia Tech.
I was a professor in the School of Chemistry and Biochemistry at Georgia Tech at the time. Erica, she had some really compelling ideas about how to measure people's blood chemistry.
When Rob joined my lab, he said he wanted to work on a technology that could help patients like himself.
Patients with sickle cell disease, beta thalassemia, and other hematologic diseases.
We don't frequently see an undergraduate student designing products for real critical situations and critical needs in human health.
We've all been screened for anemia. We've gone to the hospital, had to wait in line, endure a venous blood draw, and had to wait longer for people to process our results. This is just too inconvenient and costly for people to have to do. We've invented a solution.
The perfect
The
convergence.
scientific credentials of our team are unparalleled.
We have talent from everywhere and the best expertise. We've hired the best people we can.
The technology we developed, it really comes from us. We know it inside out.
We understand what patients that are suffering are dealing with.
We're growing at the right time.
The consumer product space as well as the clinical space.
And at the core of all of our products is something that was proven scientifically or clinically. Publicly available information about how we develop things, transparency across the company as well as with anybody that interacts with our products.
We've got so many opportunities in front of us, and we're ready to bring something to the consumer that they didn't even know was a possibility.
This is bigger than anemia. Anemia affects many people, but it is one platform of a pipeline that Sanguina has the potential to tackle.